Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Man of the Year on piano. We will begin by identifying the song's key signature, which is typically in C major, and its 4/4 time signature. Next, focus on mastering the core chord progression for the verse and chorus. These usually involve just 4 to 5 basic chords. Practice transitioning smoothly between these chords, ensuring a steady rhythm and clear sound from the very start. Now, let's dive into the melody and rhythm. First, grasp the main melodic line, often played by the right hand, paying close attention to its phrasing. Then, practice the rhythmic patterns for each hand separately until they feel natural. The left hand typically provides a steady eighth note or quarter note accompaniment. Finally, carefully combine both hands, starting slowly to synchronize the melody with the harmonic foundation. Adding dynamics and expression truly brings the piece to life. Vary your volume, playing softer in verses and building to a fuller sound in the chorus to convey emotion. Utilize the sustain pedal judiciously to connect notes and create a richer, more resonant tone, but avoid overpedaling. Pay attention to articulation, ensuring some notes are legato and others staccato to highlight the song's unique character. To refine your performance, consider exploring subtle variations or embellishments, like a simple arpeggio, to make the piece your own. Always practice with a metronome to maintain a consistent tempo, aiming for around 120 beats per minute. If you encounter difficult passages, break them down into smaller, two-measure sections. Consistent, focused practice will help you master Man of the Year beautifully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.